Okay, language explorers. Right, let's have a look at council. Council. So, in this today's Monday noun. So, council, a group of people that meet up to give advice, ideas, or commands. So, advice, ideas, or commands. The council will know what to do. So people coming together and deciding on what to do. People coming together and deciding on what happens and what to do. Yes, in the community. Yeah, the area you live. The town, the city, the village, the region and beyond. Without those councils, see singular, council, and plural, councils with an S, you won't know what to do. Without these councils, without the councils around the UK, there would not be, let's say rules, to keep it simple. There wouldn't be rules, ideally. Okay. So singular, council, plural, councils. Nice. So yesterday, the council discussed it, or talked about it. Discuss is talked. So yesterday, they talked about it. They talked about it. Discussed. Yesterday. Yesterday they had a meeting. Yesterday the council had a meeting. How cool is that? There is a council meeting now. Yeah. There's a meeting now. They're talking, they're discussing, they're planning. The council are having a meeting, yeah, are talking now. There is an important meeting going on now. Now, yeah. The council will have an emergency meeting now or tomorrow. Will have in the future. The council need to discuss something, plan something now. The council need to discuss something now. It is very important. Yes. They need to discuss it now. They will be talking about it in the future. They will be talking about it next week, for example, next week. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, council. A group of people that meet to give advice, ideas, or commands on a certain area, city, town, village, a region, and beyond. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use council in a sentence? Yeah. Write it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Yeah, just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.